Can I take my quiz?
Nope.
Why?
One, because it said.
And you haven't finished your study yet.
Two, Tyler just said it.
Dude, I'm so close. I ain't making up my quiz.
Tyler, where's my study guide from like a month ago? Dude. Am I gonna have to like come to your house and sit at your dining room table and say, Tyler, do this study guide?
If you help me,
I'm not gonna help you. I'm just gonna make sure you stay focused. Well, yeah, I would help you,
I had a
but
lot of stuff to do.
yes, dear.
Can I've just like gone and done it again, because I don't like doing it in sections. Because then I can do it over and over again.
Yeah, that's fine.
I can like look at my answers and see if
Yeah, the key's right up there.
oh, that's no, the study guide, like the not-read study guide.
Oh, yes. Let me get this thing to work. Here we go. Let me get this thing to work and then I'll pull it up for you.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
I'm taking the,
What about 19? Do we need to go over 19? Anybody need 19?
Linear is
Linear means that they cannot have exponents other than 1, so that's why it can't be D or B, and that you can't have the less than or greater than. It's got to be an equal sign.
so you're gonna be C or B.
No, you're not. All right, number 20. Number 20, same thing, linear, okay? You can't multiply them together, so it's not A, and it can't have exponents other than 1. That's why it's not C and D, okay? Number 21, standard form was you had to have X, then Y, then your constant, okay? So let's see, you don't have X first, you got to switch this around. So it'd be negative 4X, and then that's a positive Y, equals 7, but you can't have a leading negative, so change all those signs, and that's A. All right, what about 22? Do I need to go over 22? Anybody need 22? Tyler. Anybody need 22? Okay, what about 23? Anybody need 23? X-intercept just means 0, right? Plugging in 0. Alright, what about 24? Does anybody need 24? 24 going once, 24 going twice?
Oh, yeah, man.
No?
No, 22 I was gonna ask you. You have to do it X and Y. So.
Yes, you gotta plug in 0 twice. You plug in 0 for X, solve for Y, then plug in 0 for Y, solve for X. Alright, 25 you can mark out. We're not going to do that one. 26, find the slope. What is slope? Huh? Change in Y over change in X. There you go. Alright, what are your two Y values?
6 and 8.
6 and 8. Very good. I'm going to do 8 minus 6. Doesn't really matter. Alright, what's the X value that goes with 8? Negative 7. Minus, what's the X value that goes with 6? 2. Very good. Alright, what's 8 minus 2? Excuse me, 8 minus 6. I just gave the answer of 2. What's negative 7 minus 2? Negative 9. And that would be C. Alright.
So basically just subtract it.
Yeah, that's what change means. If you go to the cashier and get some change from a cashier, she's going to subtract, right? What you get by what you give her. All right, 27, write an equation. Slope-intercept form is y equals what? mx plus b. There you go. So let's see. They give you a slope as negative 4/5.
So it's.
Does that narrow it down any? Look, guys, you don't even have to finish it. What's the only one that has negative 4/5 as your y, as your slope?
D.
D. You don't even have to finish it out. That's the beauty of multiple choice. All right, same thing on this one. Because it gave you the slope of negative 4/5, and this is the only one that has the slope in the right place. First of all, this doesn't even have a 4/5, right? Well, this has a 4/5, but it's in the wrong spot. Slope's got to be right here in front of x.
Well, that other one's.
It is, but it's positive. This is supposed to be negative.
But how do you know it doesn't change during the stuff?
The slope's just slope. All right, now 28 is where it could start changing. It says parallel. So what is slope that is parallel? You have two parallel lines, right? They're like this. That means their slope is the same.
So wouldn't it be
So you've got to solve this for what letter first?
X? No, Y.
Y. So you got to move the 2x over.
Yeah, you gotta get the Y to the front.
You gotta put it in this form right here, Jack. You gotta get y by itself.
You gotta put it in what form?
This form right here. You gotta get y by itself. Slope intercept form. Alright, so that's 3y equals x comes first, so negative 2x, and then that's a positive 5, so plus 5. Alright, then you divide everything by 3, and you don't even have to finish it. What's the number in front of x?
-2.
Which my answer is... Yep, B. Are y'all okay?
Not really.
Well, Jack, you have to come to 0 period. Or after school, or during lunch, or something. So I can help you. Alright, let's flip over real quick. Flip over, flip over. At the end of class, yes.
Number 29, you have to get positive and a negative number.
129, yeah. No, 29. All it wants to know is what is it.
Oh, this is absolute value.
Yep. All right, so tonight, y'all need to work on 29 through 34. Or if you do a couple of problems during lunch or after school or on the way to school or whatever, you can get them done. You don't have to do them at home.
On the way while I'm driving.
Not while you're driving, no. All right, guys, all we're going to do today is review. A study guide is up there on the board. It's front and back. If you want to take a picture of it so you don't have to keep walking up there, that's all we're doing today, okay? This is the study guide. That's it, because you got a test tomorrow. Last test. Jack, there's a back of it, too.
Can you help me with this part?
Yeah, let me get all this stuff set up. Hold on.